Hey guys, welcome to my channel, Modern Southern Belle. My name is Merissa and today you're watching part 1 of my fall clean and decorate videos. I hope this video gives you some fall decorating inspiration. If it does, please give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button if you haven't subscribed yet. First, I'm going to start off by showing you some DIY projects that I did. I took some mini mason jars and painted them. The first one I painted with a spray paint that I gotten from Hobby Lobby in the color nickel, and then I'm going to paint the other two in a chalk paint, and I'll let my little helper describe that for you.
Hi, my name's Tia. So I'm a painter, and I paint a lot. I love to paint, so today I'm just going tonight. So tonight I'm going to paint with my mom. She painted the pumpkins.
I sure did, huh?
Yes, you did. And now I'm going to paint too.
Alright, so here is a look at the room I'm going to be decorating today. It is technically our formal dining room, but we don't use it as such. Instead, it's our music room, play space, workout space, and even our dance floor. So I'm going to get started by cleaning and then we'll get to the decorating.
We watch the sun go down over the same old town, like so many times before. We look at the same old stars, battle the same old wars, like so many times before.
I guess my little helper decided to do some finger painting with some yogurt, so I'm gonna go ahead and get this mirror clean.
Yeah, I know that we're not perfect, but I need this night for the last time. Stay. No, you're gone in the morning, but I'll be okay if you stay.
Okay, so the top of this dresser has a groove in it and debris falls in it, like glitter from other decorations that I've had on here. So I'm just going to use a toothpick to loosen it up, and then that way I can vacuum it.
No, you're gone in the morning, but I'll be okay. We were never meant to last, but all the fun times we had, I'll never forget. We will always share a bond, no matter what, 'cause you have a piece of my heart. And I know that we're not perfect, but I'm gonna miss all that we had. Yeah, I know that we're not perfect, but I need this night.
Now I'm just going to clear out the space, wipe everything down, get the floor swept, and then we'll get started with decorating.
Morning, but I'll be okay if you stay. No, you're gone in the morning, but I'll be okay if you stay. If you stay. If you stay. No, you're gone in the morning, but I'll be okay till the sun goes
I'm changing out the base of the lamp to make it taller because next I'm going to be putting a tall vase on the other end of the dresser with some stems that I got from Hobby Lobby. Some I got from Hobby Lobby last year, and then I did purchase some new ones this year. But I'm going to go ahead and put those in the vase, get them arranged, and then I'm going to decorate the rest of the dresser.
So I got what I deserved, you know it. I wanted it to hurt, so wrong of me to cross that line. If I could, I would push rewind. It's my fault, I'll give you my heart, you can crush it, moving on. I'll be on my way if you want it. I surrender to you. Yes, I am waving the white flag. I surrender to you. Yes, I am waving the white flag. Oh, yeah. Waving the white flag. Oh, yeah. Waving the white flag. You watch me across the room. Your glances tells me that I am doomed. Is there a way to cool you down? Just one mistake and I am out. It's my fault, I'll give you my heart, you can crush it, moving on. I'll be on my way if you want it. I surrender to you. Yes, I am waving the white flag. I surrender to you. Yes, I am waving the white flag. Waving the white flag. I'm 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 waving the white flag, yeah. It's my fault. Moving on if you want it. I surrender to you. I'm waving the white flag.
All right, so here is a final look at the space. I think it turned out so beautiful. I love that I could incorporate some pieces that I had last year with some new pieces that I bought this year. This small bouquet here I bought from Michael's. The thankful sign came from Hobby Lobby last year, but they did still have it this year. And those two wall decor pieces came from Hobby Lobby this year. For Thea's little house, I just added a couple of little pumpkins to her bouquets. I got those from the Dollar Tree and I just painted them to match our decor. I just love how this dresser turned out. I think it's so pretty. I got this little glitter pumpkin from At Home this year, along with that tall vase. The riser, the florals, and the picture came from Hobby Lobby. The little blue pumpkin came from Burke's Outlet. And the greenery in that vase came from Michael's. And then all these little pumpkins and decor pieces I've had from the past years. And then my cute little squirrel. I got him from At Home last year. I just love the color and the cute design on him. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please hit the like button. It really helps my channel out. Also, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and hit that notification bell so you're notified of my future uploads. You don't want to miss part 2 of my fall clean and decorate videos. Thank you again so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.